I got excited. I was doing too much bristle brush because I'm like, ew, the waste of money. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Kimoria. If you follow me or if you watch the last video I posted, you know I just recently got a DJI that one of my friends was just so kind enough to give to me because I broke my camera. So that kind of threw me off a little bit. Before I broke my camera, I was setting my room up in a way that made sense. That way I could prep myself to start decorating. And I haven't decorated, but I did a little bit of shopping and I ordered some stuff. I went to Goodwill a couple of weeks ago. I found some things. I'm gonna show you guys that. And I'm gonna show you what my room looks like since I left you guys from the last time we were arranging my room. Compared to what it looked like before, I think it's pretty good, but we still have work to do. When I was doing that video, I talked about putting this mirror here, and I actually did it. I bought my plants in. That was in my bathroom at the other apartment I just left. This is a real plant. I have my little cactus here. My bed, same bedding is on here. I have my skirt on, which looks a lot better. We look kind of grown up. Kinda with my twin bed. And then I have my rug here. I put this rug here and not centered under the bed because whenever I first moved in here, I wanted to clean the rug. And I actually got around to doing that. But I figured I'll leave it there until I can, you know, actually do the room makeover. So let's get into the things that I bought. I saw this pillow. I don't like buying stuff like this from Goodwill because I'm like, ew, nasty, but I thought I'd give it a try. This one actually has a zipper compartment on it, so I can take this cover off and throw it in the wash, but I don't know if it's gonna be the type of pillow that can withstand the wash, but why not try, right? If it doesn't hold up in the wash machine, we can throw it away and replace it. Okay, they got it attached by a little piece of plastic here. But I'm going to give it a try. I'm going to throw this in the washing machine and I'm going to dry it and we'll see if it holds up. If not, we'll just replace it. Another thing that I bought is this beautiful lamp, and the shade that came with it is just so unappealing. Look how yellow it is. It seems like my favorite color is pink. That's not the case at all. It's a cute color. I have nothing against it. My favorite colors are actually green and white, and I've been thinking, what would it be like if I painted green? But I love the milkiness of this color, so I don't know if I'll do that, but we definitely want to change the shade. I'm gonna plug it up so you can see what it looks like. Oh, there we go. This is a cool white light bulb that I put in this lamp. With this shade, it yellows it out again. Let me know in the comments if you think I should consider painting this green. Now, I didn't do so well with all of my purchases. I got excited. I don't know why I lost my mind, but I did. And I started buying everything. I don't know. After I got them home, I wasn't feeling them as much. I was doing too much. I don't like the art that's inside of it. It's not me at all. And there's potential here. I like this one because I like how thick and chunky the frame is. This is something that I could potentially put in the bathroom. Not quite sure. This was only $2.09 if that's any, you know, consolation for the waste of money. I love this. So cute. A little cafe type situation. Maybe I could put it over the sink in the kitchen. I don't know. We'll see what my roommate thinks. I will revisit this. I will revisit everything I have because I don't want anything to be a waste. Oh, and this right here. This is the other thing. I'm so excited about this right here. And it looks like something that you would normally put on a buffet with a dipping bowl and food, but you can't do that because this is a basket. I picked this up because I think this would be a great frame for a pendant light. Whatever this stuff is, I'm gonna take this out and I'm gonna use this and hang it. That'll be soon to come Everything here will be like something that I'll revisit in the future to like do little DIY projects with. And the last thing I have is this chair that I picked up from Goodwill. It's in great condition. I like the wood legs. I like the fact that it's got a thick, nice cushion. I'm actually gonna use this at my desk. The chair that I currently have is this little wood chair. I actually got this from Goodwill as well. And I've had it for a couple of years now. So I'm gonna be taking this chair back to Goodwill. That way somebody else can probably use it and, you know, make it work for their home. And then we're gonna replace that chair with this one. When I was at my last apartment, I wanted to clean the chairs and my roommate had something that worked out okay for it. She had this little spot cleaner and her spot cleaner was made for floors, but I was able to use it on the seat cushions of the chair. But I struggled a bit with getting it up the back because my roommate has, you know, moved and I don't have access to her spot cleaner anymore. I thought I better buy something because I definitely don't want to just spray this with Lysol. I, you know, just don't feel comfortable with that. So I bought myself this cleaner. It is I think it's a spot cleaner, but you can actually use this on furniture because it has a hose on it. Hers didn't have a hose. It was just a reservoir with the handle on it. So you couldn't stand it up vertically to get the back cushions. You can only get the cushions that set horizontally. So this right here works differently. It is a Hoover CleanSlate carpet and upholstery spot cleaner. So it is for furniture. I can clean the couch in the living room again, the chair that I just bought from Goodwill. I can clean my mattress, spots on the floor. There's so much I can do. The instructions, the nozzle, a bag with the cleaning solution. I love how cute it is. I saw this in Walmart not long after I bought the couch and I cleaned it using my roommate's spot cleaner. And when I saw this, I was like, oh my goodness, I've never seen anything like this before. And I was so excited and I wanted it. But of course I didn't get it because I really didn't need it at the time. But once I needed something of my own, I looked for this and I found it on Amazon. Oh, okay. So this is, okay. Here's the hose right here. You see how it has that little, I guess it's a nozzle. So this probably is where the water sprays out. And then this is the suction that sucks the water back in. And you attach it like this. Oh, and it clicks into place. And then there's a button here. And you see how that makes that move up and down. That's probably how you spray your water. Once you want to remove it, you hit the eject because it has the eject symbol here and pull it off. Okay, so this part is different. It looks like for the nozzle part, it doesn't have anything to cover it. You just put it on the suction area. It looks to me like you just let the water just spray out. So the water just spray from out and then you just brush and suction. For this rubber bristle brush, you can remove the regular bristle brush and replace it. Boom. And before I get started, I'm going to use my phone to show you something so I can just get the perfect angle. I have all these little lint balls all over the chair. And I don't know if the carpet cleaner is going to help remove that. So I did order this right here. It is a lint remover and it's for clothes. I have a couple of sweaters that could really use some love. Specifically, I bought it for this, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over it first with the carpet cleaner, and then if I have to do it with that, then I will. Because the carpet cleaner may get this stuff up. We're going to see. I'm really, really excited. Can you see? Yeah. See what kind of shape this pillowcase is in. I'm seeing a lot of lint inside this bag. Okay, not too bad. A lot of little white stuff. I don't know Oh, you know what? I probably forgot to take the tag off of it because I was so excited to just unzip it. I don't even know if it's safe to dry this thing because it might shrink in the dryer. Let's see what it says. Spot clean only. Probably not a good idea to put this in the dryer, so I'm going to lay this flat to dry. Let's see about this pillow. The pillow actually looks like it's in pretty good shape. I was just about to say the pillow looks like it's in pretty good shape, but no, the shape is not good. You know what? Let's pop this in the dryer and see what happens. Maybe the tumbling around in the dryer will help this out because it's lost its shape up here. This side is a little bulky and there's nothing up here. So I'm going to pop it in the dryer and see what happens.
Oh, okay, that's it. Have a good night. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye.
Hi guys, it is the next day and I am about to show you how I clean this spot cleaner. Yesterday whenever I was really cleaning it up, I thought I was recording and I wasn't filming, so I'm just gonna do this real quick so you can get an idea of how it works, and I love it. So anyway, I had the hose attached to the brush like so. So I disconnected it. I grabbed this little hose rinse tool, and once you have this connected, you hit the spray button and it will shoot water out and rinse your hose. And the great thing about this is that you don't have to rinse the dirty side and the clean side. You can just rinse it, and once you finish rinsing it, you can run all the water from the clean side into the dirty side and just empty the dirty side and clean it out. Yeah, that's it. That's what I wanted to show you. Because we still have lint on this chair, we got most of it off because yesterday's thing was full of lint. Today it's just a little bit left. So I ordered this iRUNTEK Lint Remover from Amazon. I left it plugged up overnight hoping that it was one of those things that you could just charge it up and use it on the go, but I just turned it on and I was surprised that it came on because I forgot I plugged it back up. But I left it plugged up overnight, and there's not a battery in here obviously, so it could hold the charge. You have to keep it plugged in. But wouldn't this be nicer if you could just use it on the go without having it plugged in? Anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and pop a blade in here because, oh, it does have a blade already. It comes with a blade already inside of the lint remover, and it came with 2 extra blades. See, look at all these little lint balls right here. Let's see how good this removes. Wow, it's looking pretty good. We're done, and I just want to show you how much lint I got. This is a lot. I do like that when you open it, it has this little back on it so it doesn't just like spill out everywhere, all the lint. And look how like the little gray balls inside the lint, and that's what I was seeing on the chair. But it also removed like a lot of the furry looking lint off of the chair, so nice. So I just pulled my pillow out of the dryer, and it looks like the shape kind of recovered, you know, after tumbling around in the dryer for a while. I'm gonna put my cover back on this cushion. It's still not quite as full here, but I can use this for the top because you always want to chop your pillows, and it's got like a little pre-made chop for us. And this is what the cover looks like. It's still just a tad bit damp. I'll put it on for now. That way you can see what it looks like, and then I'll let it finish drying because I don't want my pillow to start smelling like mildew. Oh, I put this on backwards. I put the chop part where the zipper is, but I would put the zipper on the bottom, but this will give you an idea of what our Goodwill pillow looks like. And it smells good too. We got a good deal for this pillow. We got this beautiful chair that looks so much better than it did when we first bought it. I'm so happy. I don't know if all this is gonna fit. I think this handle right here may mess me up. It's not gonna fit in my basket, unfortunately. It's just too tall. It sits inside, but it won't. The lid won't close. Maybe we'll just set it in the laundry room like this. This won't look too bad if it's on the shelf like that right there. That's what I'll do. I'll just sit it in there like this. I know this was not that much going on, but it was an opportunity for us to catch up. Next time we'll have more fun, DIY, hands-on type stuff. And I will see you in the next one. Talk to you later.